What is going on YouTube? In this video, we're going to do an unboxing and quick look at the Apple Watch Series 10. So one thing right off the rip, you'll notice is the box is a little shorter than the original. So the original will be about this long. So they definitely made the packaging more streamlined. This is letting you know that it's carbon neutral. So meaning they don't do anything to impact the environment when they made this thing. So like any other Apple Watch unboxing, you just take out the tabs and the first thing you'll see is your Apple Watch. This is, of course, the Series 10. And okay, now that we do that, we're going to take out the lid. So, of course, with any other Apple packaging, you get this pamphlet here, and then you have some warranty information underneath. That's basically it. So this is where the charger is. This is USB-C. It's a braided cable. And this Apple Watch does support faster wireless charging using this puck. So your watch can charge a lot faster than it used to, thanks to this new puck setup. So that's a good thing. That means you don't have to wait for your watch to charge as long, and you can get to using it. Since it has like sleep tracking capabilities, basically they want you to charge as fast as you can so you get it back on your wrist. So one thing I noticed right off the rip from the Apple Watch Series 9 that I used to have is this one is way thinner than the Series 9. Now, they said it's not much thinner, but I can notice right away it's a whole lot thinner than the previous version, so that's pretty cool. It means it won't be as noticeable on your wrist and be as bulky per se. But other than that, not much has changed. It's literally the same design as it always been since the watch was introduced. But I do say it is noticeably thinner than previous gen. So we're gonna go ahead and put this all off to the side, let that boot up, put this off safely. And then of course, with every Apple Watch comes the band. This looks like a regular sports band, so let's go ahead and get into that. Okay, so let me go pull this tab right here, like so. And it should just pop open like that. So with previous bands, this packaging kind of changed. So I try to get it out of here. Before it used to just kind of be nestled in there, but now they made it like a pouch. So that's pretty interesting. And yeah, this appears to be the like Velcro-esque band. Personally, I don't like this, so I'm probably not gonna even use this thing. I'm gonna get like a Milanese loop, but yeah, this is the band. It has like a fabric Velcro-like material. And yeah, you just pull it out like that and put it on. So the band connector hasn't changed at all. So if you have any of the older bands, as long as it's within the 42 millimeter range, it will fit just fine. So that's the band and everything that comes in the Apple Watch Series 10 box. So let's take a look at the Apple Watch itself. So not much has changed in typical fashion with this thing. Like I said, the only noticeable thing is that it is thinner by a little. To me, it feels like a lot, but if you look at it, it's not much thinner. Um, and it does charge a lot faster. They increased the wireless charging speed to charge it up from dead to full. This is because, of course, they added a lot of tracking features like sleep tracking and cycle tracking and all that. So they basically want it on your wrist as much as you can to utilize all the tracking features. Other than that, yeah, not much has changed. So this is basically everything that comes in the packaging for the Apple Watch Series 10. So this is the full unboxing. This is the aluminum version, so if I can get my hands on the titanium version, maybe we can see if anything's changed. Because in the past, if you get a higher quality material, usually the unboxing's a little different. So if I can get my hands on that, I'll do an unboxing just to show you the difference between titanium and aluminum. But in terms of the actual watch, as mentioned earlier, not much has changed. It's just a little thinner and a little brighter, and then the charging speed's a lot faster. So, but I'll still do videos on it, just showcasing the difference between the two when I get to using it, and also do a review of it to show you like what's good about it and should you spend the money on it at some point. So, if you like this video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for videos on the Apple Watch and other tech products that I get my hands on. And I will catch you on the next video. Take care of yourself. Peace.